Hi friend, good morning. When you can your visit to Anna's room, this is Anna from Run Auto Parts. Today, we introduce some of our products and our company to you. Firstly, I introduce our company Run. Run is established in 2014. Run is specialized in auto and heavy vehicle, alternator, start motors, and its parts. We're confident that we can supply what you want, and don't be shy to talk with me. Firstly, I introduced the alternator to you. This one I will introduce to you today. And also the starters. You can see here, starters we can introduce to you later. If you want to know more of the product such as the package, you can see here, this is our color box, and this is our neutral box, and also we can also supply customized box as you want. To know more of the details, don't be shy to talk with me. And also, these are heavy starter motor. You can see here. And also, we can supply the parts. This is the regulator, and this is the clutch pulley, and this is the gear bandage. To know more of our products, don't be shy to talk with us.